To shoot a video here to let you guys know how the bots operate on a down day. Actually, on not only just a down day, but as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days down. And then previously we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days down. And then you had, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, what I call chop, just up and down, where they just eat your trading fees away and you don't make much money. So what I'm trying to illustrate here is with the bots. You get all euphoric on these days, and even these days you're pretty happy because you're making money. But on these days you give back pretty much all the money that the bots have made you. Right? Terrible. Nobody likes that. Same thing here. Make all the money here, doing okay here, and then you give all the money back that the bots made you. So first couple of months I ran the bots. That's been my experience. You make money half the month, the other half the month you lose money. So I just want to let everybody know kind of what I'm experiencing with the bots. On the days that the market goes up on the daily chart for Bitcoin, pretty much any of the bots make money. It's the days that they go down that you have to deal with, and this is kind of what I've learned the hard way. So I'm just going to let you guys know real quick what I've done. On the down days, I either shut the bots off or I run a very conservative strategy to buy and sell as the days that it goes down. So in other words, on the days that it goes down, like these days, if you go look at the shorter duration charts, you can see that Bitcoin still goes up and down, right? So you still want to make money when it's going up and down on these days. You look at the 15-minute chart, you'll see it here. So you still want to try to make money as it's going down and up, down and up. Easier said than done. The only way you can really do this is you better run a very conservative bear strategy, because you're trying to catch what's here, but then it goes down and then it goes up, but it's trending down. As you can see, it's always going down. So first couple months I ran the bots, I just ran the standard strategies and did what everybody else is doing, which is the dollar cost averaging, and hope to make money. And that's pretty much the only guys out there that I see what they're doing. So what I decided to do was to take the bots, and what I'm doing is on the days that it goes down, I either shut the bots off from buying on those days, or I run a very conservative strategy. And on the days it goes up, just to let you guys know, just about any strategy will work on the days that it goes up. It's the days that go down that you either need to turn the bots off or switch strategy. So I'll show you guys how I've accomplished this. In CryptoHopper, there is a setting called triggers. Triggers are pretty cool because you can run your strategies. If the Bitcoin daily chart the hourly chart is running positive, like in other words, if it's green for these hours, you can turn the buying on. If it's red, you turn the buying off. So what I've done with my strategies is on the hourly that the chart is green, I run the buying. When it's negative or red, I turn off the buying. On the daily chart, this is the big one. When the Bitcoin daily chart switches from green to red, I run a different strategy. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So I have built an artificial intelligence strategy for both the bullish days or the green days on the daily chart, and on the red days or the bearish days, I have a different AI strategy. So just to let you guys know, after extensive testing, this is the AI bot that I'm using on the bear days, Bear Star Premium Strategy, Star Trend, and Momentum. So I have the trend and I have the strategy. I make this my AI bot, which you can watch my other videos about how to do this. I train it, and then I, of course, have the results that you can see. Great buy scores, great sell scores. But even on the down days, you've got to be very, very careful, because if you trade these down days, you can lose all your money that you made on the up days, which is not good. Now, so this is my bear strategy AI bot. This is my bull. And as you can see, there's a lot more that you can do on the bull days. You have all these strategies here, all these different strategies in the green, right? And then I even have signals in there. and I have trends. So to sum it up, just so you know, oh, let me get out of here so I can show you. Very, very simple, guys. Bear days, this strategy runs. Bullish days, this strategy runs. And I accomplished that with triggers. I'll make a video about triggers, but basically you have to program your triggers to on when Bitcoin, the daily chart, is going bullish. I have the bullish AI running, and on the daily chart, when it switches to bearish, I run the bearish. But no matter which AI strategy that I run, the hourly has to be green to enable the buying. Otherwise, the buying gets disabled. So really what this boils down to, guys, is you want to program your bots to trade with the trend. Otherwise, you'll get wiped out. That's the long and the short of it. As you can see, this month has just been a quest to just keep the money that I made in the previous month, which was 11.33% on a month that was about halfway bearish, halfway bullish. This month has just started off bearish. So the concept is I'm going to save my money here, lose as little bit of money as I can here, and then when the strategy gets to be green again here, I will hopefully make as much as I made last month. So you just don't want to get wiped out on these days, guys. You don't want to get wiped out, and you don't want to get left holding the bags. So this is not a very positive video from the perspective that I'm bragging about how much money that I'm making. I'm just letting you guys know the reality of this. Don't waste your money on these bots if you're not willing to program 2 different strategies. If you program 2 different strategies, you have a chance of making money. If you don't program 2 different strategies, you're probably just going to get wiped out. You'll make money, you'll go back to even. You'll make money, you go back to even. It's just not worth it. There's another bot you can follow on YouTube called Today's Bot. He's been running his bot for about 90 days, and for the month of May, he's made about 0.26% per day. His strategy is just doubling down, and he ends up with positions that are negative 30, 40, 50, 60%. I don't like to do that. I like to run stop losses, and I like to run trailing stop losses. So hopefully my channel, I want to be able to beat this number here, and if I can for the next month or 2 start beating these numbers, then I really will feel like I have something to offer the world. Right now, it's just a learning curve for the days that are bearish. The days that are bullish, I'm making money. As you can see here, this is my money-making days. But I want to be able to make money on the bearish days so that I don't want to be holding positions that are negative 30, 40, 50, 60%. And I don't want to be doing dollar cost averaging to get myself out of trouble, because I just don't think that's a long-term winnable strategy. So, guys, stay tuned. I'll post how this month ended, but right now May is just horrendous. But keep in mind, Bitcoin's down over 30%. I mean, if you look, it was at 60,000, 65,000, and it's been as low as 42,000. That's a huge, huge downturn of 30%. So just to be able to survive the month and not get wiped out is an accomplishment. But not only do I want to survive this month, I want to end this month hopefully, possibly beating that number. So anyway, guys, I hope this helps. Just being real with you guys. This is a lot of work to set these bots up, but I think if you have your bearish and bullish strategies and your triggers, again your strategies, you will have a fighting chance of making money in the long term. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. I'd love to hear your comments. Thanks a lot.